All right, David, this one's for you real quick. I'll send it to your text message. So I got her all loaded up. Tomorrow I'll be in here starting the skimming coat process, finishing process. It'll be tomorrow and then Monday finish coating, and then hopefully Tuesday we should be able to finish sand, provided everything dries completely. So I used the sheetrock 90 to bring down any of the really heavy fill areas before I filled it with the regular mud. Try and save on drying time as much as possible. So there you go. I just used up the remainder of the taping mud on all this crap here. I'll skim it again tomorrow when I get here. There we go. Alright, so here we are, day 2. Started the finish coating process. There was really bad stuff up there, so it's finally true flat. Now I'm going to brush it and then skim it again tomorrow. This whole bead I'm going to give it one more skim. It's probably good the way it is, but I'd rather give it another skim just to be sure it's going to be perfect. It's brand new, right? So I got everything skimmed out, nails, butt joints, flats, beads, everything. And then hit one side of the angles all the way around. So I gotta wait for that one side of the angles to dry completely, and then I can come back and hit the other side of the angles, and then we'll be done. So tomorrow I'll be done all the mudding, Tuesday I'll be sanding. So it'll be 4 days. So those walls look a lot better than they did yesterday. It doesn't matter what if they're perfect, because it's just all getting tile backsplash across this part anyways. So I just had to make it flat enough that they can prime it and then be able to put the tiles on so they all sit flat and square. Alright, it's going to be finished up to about here over, and then it's going to be cupboards. Cupboards all the way up till down about a foot I have to finish. So there we go. We care, professional plastering services. We really care, and it shows in our work. So we're day 3 today. No, day 4. No, day 3. Sorry. And everything's finished coated. It's all ready for finish sand tomorrow morning. Looks good. Up there was like 3 little patches that were a good ½ an inch deep. Can't tell they were there anymore. Right here, from here, about 8 inches. Okay, all the way up to the top. There was a difference of over a ½ inch from this drywall to the piece of drywall up here. So I had to fill it all in. It would have been a big dip. Now it's all flat. So took the dip right out of there, made it all true flat. Be nice and easy to prime and paint now. I'm cleaning that stuff up nice anyways. They told me I didn't have to. It was all where they ripped the tiles off. It was all yucky. They told me just put one coat on it just so they could prime it and paint it. I made it all nice and smooth. Looks finished. Just looks better that way anyways. Same thing with this butt joint, it was pretty bad too. Big gap. It would have been like a 1/4 inch probably of the difference. So I filled it all in. So there we go. We care professional plastering services. We really care, and it shows in our work. Have a great day.